What's up, YouTube? Got another unboxing for y'all today. Everywhere I go, everywhere I see. Went to Metro PCS and picked up this damn new phone today. What this shit called? The Sun. Went to go pick that shit up yesterday. Too much light. I'm gonna unbox this for y'all real quick, man. Now this box sparkly as hell. That's gay. That's the phone. Cut down papers and shit. Come with a 2 GB chip. Charger. And some headphones. What's the move? It hit like bam, bam, bow, bow, bow. I'm just me, myself, and Irene everywhere I go. That's it for that. I'm gonna do a review on the phone and shit. You know what I'm saying? Give me a minute. Y'all comment, rate. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. Y'all know how we do. Holla at me.